freaking big one. It's gonna be huge. Oh. Oh, that was kind of. I can't do it. Dear Genie, I've got a letter. I want one. Play some Backstreet Boys. Okay. I can't do it anymore. Oh my god! Yeah! 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 Streets back! Alright! Something say hey, as long as you love me. Wait, go up for a second. I'll be the one. Click that one. What one? I'll be the one. What's the one that we were singing on the phone with John? I forgot. I have a big one there, it won't come out. I want to get like all this out so I can crack it on my head. It's not working out because it's like very hard, but. You're gonna hurt yourself. Ouch. How do people do that? It's funny.
And then turn the page upside down.
No, look at him first. Okay.
Yeah, turn it upside down.
Wait, which way are they doing it? Yeah, I don't get it.
So when you turn it up, it's like they're angry dogs. But when you turn it upside down, they're laughing puppies.
You're the funniest time we reference. Okay. Like, okay. Want to play soccer? Want to play soccer? Holy crap! You're on fire today. Yeah. It's tricky.